what's up you guys? Welcome to a new video. My name is Vivian and today I'm gonna open this Craftelier package. So there have been quite a lot of mail package openings on my channel lately. I already talked about that in my scrapbooking supply haul that I uploaded a little while ago, but now I also have my second package and I have to say I am very excited. I obviously know everything that is in here, but I do have to say that whenever I order stuff like this, I always have everything in my cart for like weeks. I look at everything a dozen times, and now because they had a sale going on, I moved a lot of stuff in and out of my shopping cart. So I moved a lot of stuff out, I moved a lot of stuff in, I kept changing it around. Oh my god, look how packed this is. Obviously this is, oh my god, this is going to be for Happy Mail. Oh my god, look at all of this. And a couple of things were on my wish list for months already, and now they had a very big sale going on. A sale on, for example, We Are Memory Keepers tools and Ranger, is it called Ranger? I hope so. Ranger supplies. And I got the distress oxides a little while ago. You can see that in my previous shop log, and I'm so excited about them. And I also ordered a couple different colors here. So we're starting, I'm so excited, I cannot stop talking. We're starting with this pack, which is Maggie Holmes Confetti. I'm going to do a flip through because I've been quite obsessed with Maggie Holmes, and I've actually never had anything from this, but I just really liked it. And with Craftelier, the great part is that it is usually on quite a big discount. So I'm just going to take you through it. Okay, I'm just going to flip through instead. This is cool. So as you can see, everything is one-sided. We have a lot of cards here. Cool. A lot of background papers, which isn't good for Happy Meal. Also some designs I do not like, if I'm completely honest. This I do like, and the ticket one as well. This one maybe a little less, but still so cool. Look at all of that. Wow. So far so good. The wooden is not really my style, but that's all good. And then I think that was it. So then you have the same, so you have like 24 different papers times 2. So that was paper pack number 1. I have another one. I will pick up something else first. I'm gonna start with these that are Nouveau Jewel drops actually. So they're kind of, I think they're sort of, yeah, dries translucent. I did pick up another color, the pumpkin color, or I don't know, an orange marmalade color. So I already do know that how, like, the way they dry up basically. But I'm just going to test them for the colors. So we have this one, which is very beautiful. This color is called Rosewater, and this one is Key Lime. You can see this is just a used sticker sheet that you can use to make little drops and then peel them off and put them on something with glue. So as you can see, this is also translucent, the orange one. And now I think it was called Orange Marmalade. And now we have green as well. So it's like a nice little light green, and it will dry translucent, so that's kind of cool. And then I also have that pink. Also have the pink, which is a really nice light pink. I think that will be such a fun touch, especially because I have a lot of different colors from that as well, and that will match quite nicely. So now I think I have all of the colors that I want, except for blue, because blue is usually sold out and I don't even have that many colors of blue. So we have these, which is kind of cool, the green and the pink. Okay, and now I'm going to try something else. What is this? Okay, this, I mean obviously I know what it is, but they packaged it I don't like that. No, next time I will need to add a note that says, please be careful with the plastic. Okay, what we have here is Carrot Cake Spray Chemical Gold. And basically, let me see what this says. Liquid color for scrapbooking and crafts. Spray color on a porous surface at a distance of blah 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 blah. But actually, what I wanted to do with this is add little touches of gold to my crafts. I thought it would be really, really fun. This was also on quite a big discount, and I do have to say I love that color. They had a different color as well, but I'm glad I chose this one. So this can all go to the plastic recycling bin. Tool. Oh my god, it's so much bigger than I thought. This is huge. I thought it would be like this big. Oh my god. Okay, this is actually one of the things that I have also been looking at for weeks. But they usually, when you see them on scrapbooking, what is that sound? Usually when you see them on scrapbooking stores, you pay full price, and now with the discount, I actually got a really, really good discount. I don't know. I mean, with the sale, I actually got a really good discount, so that's why I was so excited about getting this package. You can cut out different circles. Easily cut perfect circles in 15 different sizes. And when I saw this, I was immediately so enthusiastic, because you guys know that I love paper punches. I have all different sizes, but I also like to use circles a lot. There we go. And what this actually does, I thought it would be smaller, but okay, that's fine. And this is actually so that I do not have to buy. What is that sound? What is moving around? What is moving around? I'm so confused. But what? I'm very confused. What this does is it actually, look, you can just cut out a circle. So because I have been thinking about getting multiple punches, because I already have this smallest size and I have the 2-inch size one, I have been thinking about getting different sizes as well, but this actually is just like all of the sizes in one tool. So we have 8 inches, 7.5, 7 blah 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 blah, all the way smaller. So I'm really, really excited about that. No cutting mat required. I don't really know. Detailed instructions included under tool. Well, that's not the case. There we go. Well, oddly enough, I do not see the blade. Or am I completely... Oh! There we go. Okay, now I feel really stupid. Okay, this is actually the blade. So you would lock that in here. Click, see, you lock that in there, and then you can use that to, you put a piece of paper underneath here, you put the blade in there, you click it, and then you can cut out the piece, the size of circle that you want. So I am super excited about this. I have been waiting for quite a while to get this, and I'm so happy I did, because now I got it for a really big discount. And I'm gonna use this to create like circle mail or like backgrounds. I don't know, I'm really, really excited, as you can hear. Okay, and now continuing with the second, oh shoot. See, this is what happens. I didn't pay attention, and now I smeared one of the Nouveau Crystal drops. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just going straight into the second paper pad, which is also from Maggie Holmes. I think I paid like 12 euros or something for both of them. Like, I mean 12 euros each, but usually they're like 20 euros, I think. So that's a good deal. So this is Maggie Holmes Bloom. Again, 48 papers, probably 24 designs again. And this one is a little bit less vintage, if I'm correct, but still like that typical Maggie Holmes style. First of all, we have this page with beautiful little cards. I'm always very excited to have. Then this one, this one, I've seen this one used so many times. This is actually, I actually thought I would like the confetti one better, but I have to say so far this one, I haven't found one paper in here yet that I do not like. And Noose is meowing in the background. Okay, this one, I don't like that wooden. This one is beautiful. Oh my god. And then, okay, yellow is not really my thing either, but this one is so beautiful. Oh, I love all of them. This one, a little ribbon, all these letters. Oh my gosh. And these, oh, are these? Oh, there we go. I think now we've reached the last one. So this one, and then again, it's the same designs, but this is so beautiful. I cannot wait to start using this in mail. It will match really, really well with the items I already have. So then, okay, so someone here on YouTube spoiled me. No, I'm kidding. She told me that these stickers are actually called alpha stickers, and I looked for that, and then I found these, and they're also from Maggie Holmes, but, or at least they're American crafts. I think they were supposed to be Maggie Holmes. No, it doesn't say, but I would have gotten them also if they weren't Maggie Holmes, because they're just really pretty, I think. So it's like these thick leather stickers. They're in rose gold foiling, which I think is very pretty. So yeah, I don't know what else to say about this, but I love it. They were also on a discount, still a little bit expensive to my taste, but so pretty. So I'm gonna use them for making pretty mail. Then I got this sheet from Laura by Laura. I hope I'm saying that right. This sheet is called Vellum Arexmas. I don't know, Arexmas, I don't know. Aura Christmas, I think that's what it's supposed to be, and it's like vellum with shimmery stars, and you know how excited I get by vellum paper, right? So this is really pretty. Cannot wait to use that either. Then this one I got, it's again from Maggie Holmes. This one I think might actually be matching the confetti theme, I don't know, but basically these are all individual little tickets that you can rip out. They're already perforated, so it's really easy to take them apart. They're so much fun. I already got this one once before. They are so much fun to gift to someone else or to use for decorating, and I already used so many of them that I thought I'd get a second sheet. Then what else? I got another tool. Like I said, there was a huge discount on We Are Memory Keepers tools, so I decided to splurge and finally get myself the envelope punch board. I thought I wouldn't need it because I have like a scoreboard, and when I got the scoreboard I specifically also looked at an envelope punch board, but I like the scoreboard better because you can do everything with it and not just envelopes. But after making so many envelopes with the punch board, I know that it is like making envelopes will always excite me, and it will always be something that I'm going to do, so probably it's not a bad thing to invest in something that I know I'm going to use so often. So I also got the envelope punch board, and this is the big one. I know you also have a small one, but you know, I usually make big envelopes anyway. So really excited about this, and I cannot wait to use that. And what I also like is the reverse punch. Not gonna explain too much about that, but I have been looking for reverse punches for so long, but I wasn't able to find like just that. Okay, very interesting, Vivian. But this is basically I don't know, I cannot speak anymore. News is coming to check out what we're doing. I got another vellum paper. This one is called Heartstrings from Dear Lizzie, and as you can see, it's just a bunch of flowers. You know how much I love flowers, so this was not a bad investment at all, and I cannot wait to use that to make some pretty nail. I just pricked myself with the cactus. I got quite a lot this time, as you can see. I also got this and this, because I now have the distress inks, and the store I ordered the distress inks from did not have these, like the ink blending tools, and I know that it is something that I need. So I got this and an like a refill pack. I don't know how else to explain that. So Vivian, chill out. So I'm so excited because yesterday I spent all night playing around with the Distress Oxides. I will show you. I got two new colors. I already got a blue and a green one, and now I also have a pink and a lilac one, and I think that for now that is all the colors I'm going to need. But obviously I'm so excited, I'll probably end up ordering more in the future. So this is basically, I already talked about it in my previous one as well, this is basically some sort of an oxide ink pad. It's different from normal ink. You can do really cool things with it, like distressed things, and I'm super excited. Like I said yesterday, I played around with the other two. That was so much fun. I made some really pretty things, and I'm happy that I got some more colors. Okay, so these are the final items that I got. This is just new, like a refill pack of the blades from my trim and scoreboard. I use it so often that this is already my second refill, because the blades do go kind of, how do you say, bot? They are not, after a little while the blades are not that sharp anymore, but for me, I use it so often that it makes sense. So I already bought a refill pack for new blades for that, and I also bought a refill pack for my circle spin and trim, so that I already have new knives to use with that as well, new blades, because I know I'm going to use that so often. And then the final item, they always give you a little lollipop. I've ordered from Craftelier before, and I actually have to say, this is the first time that I ordered from Craftelier that they delivered it, that I was able to accept the package at my door. Usually I have to go pick it up somewhere on the other side of town. And this is the final thing I got. I always take the plastic off immediately, it just annoys me. Like I said, Ranger was on a discount, and I have actually been looking for something like this for quite a while, because this one says waterproof. And the reason why I wanted waterproof black ink is because I have been really excited to try out stamping and then coloring it in. But my usual black ink just bleeds, like it doesn't work that well, so I thought I would get myself some waterproof ink for that purpose. So in recap, I got a lot of We Are Memory Keepers tools for a great discount. I got a lot of Ranger items. Also, this is all Ranger, so that was all at a big discount. Nuvo Crystal Drops, nearly everything I bought, I think everything I bought was at a discount. This makes me super happy, and I cannot wait to start playing around with this. I do have to say that this one is so big that I didn't, probably they give you the measurements, but I didn't realize it would be this big. And now I have to find a place to store it, but that's going to be totally fine. I talked a lot and really quickly because I was so excited, but I'm actually editing a lot of videos today, so I'm going back to my computer now to edit those videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed this this haul video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below telling me what you want me to use in a video, which one do you want to see first, and if you have any ideas, feel free to share them with me as well. I might have to make like a circular tag flip. I already love that idea. Okay, I'm going to stop this video now because I'm not really making a lot of sense. Going back to my computer to edit more videos for you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, subscribe, like this video, and see you guys very, very soon. Okay, bye bye.